Hiker Jay here. This week I'm going to go on an adventure where I've never gone before. To the sewing machine. That's right, I'm going to make a pouch for my backpack, and I'm going to make it out of this kit that I got from Ripstop by the Roll. It's Cuben fiber or Dyneema composite fiber, some zippers and things. They put these kits right together. The idea is I want to take my normal ditty bag. You can see what's in it in my loadout video up here. But I'm going to take my normal ditty bag and I want to carry these things on the outside of my pack sometimes because that way they're easily accessible. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make this pouch so that it'll clip right onto this strap right here. It'll go through a couple loops and clip and just sit right here. I can unzip, grab things from it, and then zip it back up. And if it gets really bad weather, I can actually just take it off and put it in my pack if I wanted to. So what I got was the large zip pouch from Ripstop by the Roll. And what it does is it comes with this laser cut piece of Cuben fiber, which is really great, all waterproof, and I got the thicker one. And then a couple nylon straps, which I'm going to use to go through to loop onto my pack, and then a zipper and the actual zipper and zipper pull in there as well too. So the only thing I had to have was the actual thread and sewing machine. They say this project will take about 15 minutes. I'm going to do some modifications. I'm not going to make mine it's made to be just a flat pouch like this with a zipper. I want to make mine a little more three-dimensional, so it'll be a little bit more narrower, but larger for things to go in and to be able to reach in and grab things. So let's get started. So this is totally deviating from the normal plan. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out a space for the actual zipper. A lot of people use a razor blade with this material, and that's perfectly fine. But I'm just going to fold it over and sew it that way and leave it right in so that it's a little stronger hold. So I got the one side sewn on, and I'm going to do the other side now. So the thing I'm trying to get used to is that it's such slippery product that it actually slides up and down. I mean, it's okay, but it's pretty tough to keep a straight line. Of course, I'm kind of a noob at this too, but I'm getting the hang of it. Okay, I have my zipper in. Now, I'm actually going to put my zipper in. Got my zipper on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sew up my ends now. So here I needed to figure out where the loops go and sew the loops on the bag. Alright, I sewed my two loops on. I totally overshot that one. Rookie mistake. I'm struggling with the sewing machine, but being the first time, I'm okay with where I'm at now. I'm going to turn it inside out and sew the inside. Alright, I got me a nice little pouch, but I want to take it to the next level. Alright, now this is a little trick to make it actually be more three-dimensional than flat. I'm going to take and I'm going to sew off these corners so that it pops out more three-dimensionally than just being a flat compartment. Okay, so I sewed the two bottoms. I know it's looking ugly. Let's turn it around and see what we got. So I'm at kind of a crossroads now where I put the fold in the bottom and I could have the top stay open like that, or I could try to finish it off with corners as well, like that. And I just think it'll look nicer. I lose some space if I fold it off, but I kind of like it. I kind of like it folded off like that. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and put those folds in too so it's fully three-dimensional. Let's do it. Alright, I want to check out these corners. Go back through. Flat corners. That's what's going to make this three-dimensional, is putting those flat corners in. And I'm really happy that I did it. It's kind of been a pain, but it's coming out alright. Now I gotta do this side. So flip it all back inside itself again and sew one more corner up. Now, one thing that some people do is they'll burn these right off, and I don't have the actual tool to melt this right away, so I'm just gonna leave it for now, and someday if I get it, then I can actually melt those off. But for now, for the few ounces that they are, I'm not gonna worry about it. That could be the very last bit of sewing. I've learned a lot on this project. It was supposed to take only about 15 minutes. Of course, I put in the folded corners and did some other things, and it has taken me an hour and a half. But I think I'm gonna be happy with the way that it turned out. So let's see what we got here. This is my one mix-up, is that I sewed too far on this one. I was gonna cut it out, but I don't want to mess up the integrity of the actual material, so I'm just gonna leave it in there. And I like the three-dimensional size of it. Let's put it on the pack. All right, moment of truth here. Moment of truth here, putting it on actually on the pack. Let's see how it works. So, all right, let's just stuff it full of something here. My knife and hat, mosquito net, whatever I want in there. Oh yeah, that's exactly how I wanted it. Fits real nice, hooks right in easy. That way I can actually just unzip whatever I want, get into it, and zip it up. Kind of hangs, easy to open. Put stuff in, get things out. It opens up pretty nice. I'm liking that. Zips back up. All right, I made a pouch for my backpack. That's pretty sweet. Now that I've done this one out of Dyneema, I'm gonna actually make a front pocket where I actually put all my trail snacks and things, because I always have snacks in a front pouch somewhere where I'm always nibbling. I'm kind of a grazer that way, so I think that'll be my next one, is making some type of a pouch with a drawstring on. So as you can see, it actually can go on the front of the pack too. I can put it on any of these straps. I'm really happy with this. It's incredibly affordable from Ripstop by the roll. I'll put the link down below. I think it was 12 bucks shipped, all the supplies. And I got the large one so that I could put these pleats in and make it more three-dimensional. Well, if you found this video interesting or learned something today, go ahead and hit like and subscribe if you would. Till next time, just remember, life's a hike, so hike happy.